Hi dear students, today we'll be discussing the summary of the chapter, The Case of the Sharp-Eyed Jeweler, written by Nicholas Bentley. Before we learn about the summary of the chapter, let's talk about its characters. First protagonist, William Morris, is a protagonist, the main character of the story. A shop owner named Mr. Rayner, a woman, an American, and a lady assistant named Miss Suskind. Now let's talk about the summary of the story. In this story, William Morris is the protagonist. He works at a prestigious antique jewelry seller shop called the Rayners. While setting his display to his showcase, he sees a young woman standing in front of the undertakers. Undertakers means a shop where articles like urns, shrouds, etc. is sold. She was in yellow dress with yellow sandals, which sets him a thinking. He found it uncommon. He doubts her behavior. Now, in the next scene, what happens? There is an entry of an American in the Rayner's shop. William Morris shows him rings as per his demand. He was an average American and was chewing gum violently. While shifting this ring to that ring, Morris understood that he had not much knowledge of antique jewelry. Meanwhile, a costly flower ring goes missing. Then there was a search for the ring. With a polite request, a search was made. The customer's trouser turn-ups were checked. He was even taken to an inner room in the office for a more thorough search, but the ring wasn't found. Then, what is the fact behind the story? Actually, American and that lady were accomplices. Accomplice means they were friends, they were together. American stuck the ring with a chewing gum and the lady accidentally drops the paper to sight. See and collect the ring from under the edge of the counter. She did the same and was about to leave when the lady was stopped and the ring was discovered from her pocket. Morris gives the ring back to Mr. Rayner, the owner of the shop, and narrates the whole connection of the American and that lady and their conspiracy. They came by the name of repair and ring purchasing, actually to make a theft. Now, what's the main thought of the chapter? Its intelligence is using common sense to the full, as it has been used by the main character William Morris. By using his intelligence, he saved Mr. Rayner from a big loss of the antique jewelry that was his loved one.